That's why I know plenty, because 2 years in grade 6. My first average was 73.5. So what? Second average was 74. Oh, 30 minutes only added to my one. But that's okay. Look at me. I'm looking at you. I'm only grade 6. See? And I told, I was praying before when I had my 3 kids. Because my husband is really, I don't want, he's already in the cemetery. He's dead already, but man, he is black. But I put him on top of my maid. That's why. I was only 22 years old, my God. So I was thinking, how will I get married again? If this man is black, what about the white? I will put him on 3.
Oh, boy.
But anyway, it's not one, ano man tawag nung sa